to make money online. If you are a wholesaler, you have a small business, if you're not selling online, you're missing out on so much sales.
Let them know that everything big, nail done, hair done, everything big, and my NY girls.
So today I want to teach you guys how to make money online. Online is the best way to make money. If you're not on social media, you need to start. If you're not monetized, you need to start getting monetized. I have a whole series on how to use Instagram and TikTok. Those are my two favorite platforms to post on. This video is gonna be for TikTok shop. I'm starting a series on my YouTube channel where I'm teaching you guys basically it's a business 101 course for free. I already posted a few already, but today's gonna be how you sell online, but this is more so for TikTok. TikTok and Instagram, I always say this, these are my two favorite platforms to post on, but I get sales off of TikTok. On TikTok, they have a TikTok shop. I think you need about 10,000 followers though, or 1,000, I'm not sure, but this can also help if you do not have access to TikTok shop, but if you do, you need to utilize it because it's so, I don't want to say it's so easy, but you can make one or two sales if you post and just add a TikTok shop. And also they give a commission as well. There's a lot that's going on with TikTok shop, but I always say it's easy to grow on TikTok because the algorithm is insane and YouTube needs to take note. No shade, but shade. So let me give you a prime example. So when you're on TikTok, when you're on live, that's the fastest way to grow. That's a side note. Fastest way to grow. That's the fastest way I grew. And you need 1,000 followers to do that. So as soon as you get on live, everyone can watch it. Anyone can join it. If it's on their For You page, anyone can join your live, and that's a fast way to make sales. So when you're on live, just add your shop or add a product that you're giving a discount on. You just add that to your live and people can just buy it right then and there. What I mean is a fast way to make sales. Well, no, let me take that back because it's not fast. It's more so a way to get sales. And another tip is just to post and add your TikTok shop as well. So for instance, if I do like a little video, I don't know why I keep saying that. For instance, if I do a video and I'm wearing like my outfit, right, I can just tag where I purchased this from. For instance, this is from your mom's boutique. I can just have shop under, I need to show a tutorial. I can have a shop on there, as in I can have, someone can just easily click to purchase. And before you, okay, and another thing, when you set up your TikTok shop, you do have to provide your social, because, and I was a little iffy about it, but when you have other income than your regular job, of course, the government wants to know and be nosy. So of course you have to provide that information as well. So we talked about TikTok on how to make sales on TikTok. Let's talk about Instagram, because Instagram has an Instagram shop as well. I haven't made that much sales off of TikTok. I mean, oh my God, I'm getting mixed up. I haven't made that many sales on Instagram, but it's always good to still post just because you would never know. You can link your website to there. So me and my mom, our website is through Vix. So we just linked it to our Instagram. So when we post, you just add, all you have to do is add shop on there, and you can tag whatever outfit or item, and then people can shop for that as well. So the main thing you can take away from this is to post. Literally just post. And I say this all the time, that I recycle my content. So whatever I post on one platform, I'm gonna post on the other. And since each of these platforms have a shop on it, I just add my item that I want, and sometimes I give a coupon code, or majority of all the time I give a coupon code to entice people to shop as well. All you do is post, basically. That's it. You have to be consistent. And I said this in my last tutorial that I'm at the point where family and friends is tired of supporting, because me and my mom have so many businesses. We have a marketplace as well, so I feel like they're just tired of supporting. So when you hit that, when you're there, you have to start promoting. Well, you have to promote all the time, but you have to start promoting on social media. Like I said earlier, social media is the way to make sales, and that's how majority of my new mom sales come from, is social media. So that's it on how to utilize social media to make sales. And I know it's short. Every tutorial I do, I go straight to the point. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But the only thing I want you to really take away from this video is to be consistent and just post. Even if you have if you don't have a large following, you still can make sales. Like for instance, if you only have 500 followers, that's 500 people. You can generate sales from those 500 people. Even if you make about 5 people to sell, if you make 5 people a customer, that is still good. That is still good. And I feel like people, well, some people are caught up on the number. You know what I mean? Like people who can be have 1 million followers and can't make 1 sale. So keep that back in your mind.